The meaning of American independence in 2023? Introduction. American independence, a concept rooted in history and endowed with profound significance, continues to resonate in the 21st century. As we navigate the complexities of the modern world, it is imperative to reflect upon the multifaceted nature of American independence, which encompasses the principles of liberty, democracy, and self-determination. Moreover, this enduring ideal faces contemporary challenges and evolves with shifting interpretations, making it a subject of paramount importance in 2023. The principles of American independence. The bedrock principles of American independence are liberty, democracy, and self-determination, each contributing to its essence. Liberty, famously articulated in the Declaration of Independence, remains a central tenet of American identity. The document's assertion that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, resonates through the ages. In 2023, liberty signifies the freedom to express one's ideas, practice religion, and pursue individual happiness, while also promoting tolerance and inclusivity. Democracy, inexorably linked to American independence, ensures government by and for the people. Representation, participation, and the rule of law are core tenets. Democracy in 2023 stands as a safeguard against tyranny, fostering accountability and transparency in government, and upholding the will of the people through free and fair elections. Self-determination, the right of people to govern themselves, lies at the heart of American independence. It is the idea that individuals and communities have the autonomy to make decisions that shape their destinies. In the contemporary context, self-determination extends beyond the national level to encompass movements for local autonomy and recognition of indigenous rights, further enriching the tapestry of American independence. Contemporary challenges to American independence. In 2023, American independence faces pressing challenges that threaten to erode its foundations. Political polarization has reached unprecedented levels, hindering the stability and effectiveness of American democracy. The stark divisions between political ideologies and the erosion of civility in public discourse have fueled gridlock in government and diminished the ability to find common ground. To preserve American independence, addressing this polarization is paramount. Economic inequality poses a significant obstacle to realizing the ideals of American independence. As wealth and opportunity disparities widen, segments of society are left marginalized and disenfranchised. To ensure that liberty and self-determination are accessible to all, addressing economic inequality is a moral imperative. Social justice movements, while posing challenges, also play a vital role in redefining the meaning of American independence. Movements advocating for racial, gender, and LGBTQ+ equality have pushed the nation to confront its historical injustices. These movements contribute to the ongoing evolution of American independence by expanding its inclusivity and commitment to justice. Evolving of American independence. The interpretation of American independence is not static. It adapts to the changing landscape of the 21st century. The increasing diversity of the American population has a profound impact on the interpretation of American independence. Multiculturalism and pluralism are celebrated as integral to the nation's identity, recognizing that the principles of liberty, democracy, and self-determination must extend to all regardless of their background or beliefs. Technological advancements pose both opportunities and challenges to American independence. The digital age has revolutionized communication, enabling widespread access to information and promoting political engagement. However, it also raises concerns about privacy, surveillance, and the manipulation of information, necessitating a careful balance between innovation and safeguarding democratic principles. In an increasingly interconnected world, global issues intertwine with the meaning of American independence. Climate change, international diplomacy, and transnational threats require the United States to navigate complex global relationships while upholding its values. American independence now extends beyond domestic boundaries, necessitating international cooperation and engagement. Conclusion. In 2023, the meaning of American independence remains multifaceted, encompassing the enduring principles of liberty, democracy, and self-determination. However, it also confronts contemporary challenges such as political polarization, economic inequality, and the imperative of social justice movements. Additionally, evolving interpretations driven by multiculturalism, technological advancements, and global interconnectedness further shape its significance. To preserve and uphold the ideals of American independence, we must address these challenges and embrace these evolving interpretations. It requires a commitment to fostering unity and constructive dialogue, addressing economic disparities, and championing the principles of justice and equality. As we reflect on the meaning of American independence in 2023, we must recognize that its continued relevance lies in our collective ability to adapt and evolve while remaining true to its core values. Let us engage in this ongoing journey to define and redefine American independence for future generations, ensuring that it remains a beacon of hope, liberty, and self-determination.